I'm going to show you how $20 of this stuff can save your dining room chairs to keep the seats looking like new for years. If you eat and have a dining room table, this is a trick for you, especially if you've got little kids, maybe you've got grandkids, or maybe you can just be a little bit of a messy eater like me. If you have chairs at your kitchen table and they're covered with fabric, I want to show you a simple trick that's going to save your chairs from getting damaged by the spills and stains that naturally come at the table. Let me tell you a story. About 10 years ago, we got a new kitchen table, and it came with these chairs. They're great chairs. We love them. They've served us very well. But there was one problem. The surface of the chairs was made out of soft fabric, which is good. However, having 3 little kids at the time and another one on the way, I knew that there would be a lot of messes hitting these chairs. And this fabric was going to be soaking it in and get ruined within the first year. So I found a simple trick that has saved these chairs to keep them looking great over a decade now. And today, I'm going to share it with you. This is a simple project. It takes a screwdriver, a staple gun, and one supply. A simple roll of vinyl from the craft store. This roll for 6 chairs costs like $20. So it doesn't cost much, and it's really easy to do. Check this out. I just have to figure out which screws are holding the chair surface to the wood. It turns out there's just 4 of them. All right, once you got these screws undone, it should pop apart pretty nice. I'm even going to leave the screws just sit through the bottom. Okay, here's the bottom side of the cushion. You can skip this next step unless you've already used this vinyl trick once. I've got to remove the staples they put in here a decade ago. See, look at that. There's a stain on the bottom of the vinyl. That would have been all over the fabric, but instead, it's easy to clean. We just didn't find it because it was under the chair. Now you know what kind of eaters we are in our house. Now, you can pull this vinyl off. Look at that. The seat cushion is just like new. Let's put some new vinyl on it. With the vinyl cut, let's check our fit, make sure everything can roll over. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to start on one end, just pulling it tight. The corners can be a little bit tricky. There's a lot of excess material here. Let's cut some of that off. This is the back edge of the seat. So I want to keep this nice and tight. There we go. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, you saw how quick that was to install this vinyl. Now we just need to get the pad lined up to the chair again. Then because the back of this seat has some notches here, it becomes very easy. Get those lined up. My screw should still be right in place. There we go. Felt that cinch right up. Let's get the one on the front. The chair cushion's in place. We'll secure these other 2 and we're done. There we go. That didn't take long, did it? Let's check this out. Look at that. Nice, smooth like new. Still looks great and easy to clean. This one trick that cost less than $20 for an entire dining room set of chairs has saved these seats to keep them looking nice for over a decade. I'm going to get the rest of these chairs done while I watch a few of my favorite shows. Okay, thanks for watching. Come visit my company to get a spare car key, tomskey.com, and save a bundle of money in the process. Please subscribe and check out my other videos for helpful tips to save you money.